How can you find x using substitution? Math ha, hindi love life. That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video that you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Part ito ng series natin on finding your ex, pero hindi na lang basta hinahanap natin yung ex natin. Meron ng requirement ng substitution. At hindi yan paghahanap ng bagong jowa. I-explain ko yan later. Now, before I do that, I'm going to just give you a quick little plug sa ating merch shop. You can visit shop.teamlyqa.com to get the exclusive merch that I designed for this channel for you guys. So if you want the Trying Hard, Never Stop Learning merch, you can find them doon sa shop.teamlyqa.com. Salamat sa lahat ng mga bumili na at bibili pa. You're helping me help more people through this channel. So salamat sa inyong lahat. Now that we have that out of the way, I'm going to jump into your discussion na for today, and I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so ito yung lecture natin on how you can find x and y using substitution. Last week, pinag-usapan natin kung ano yung gagawin kung elimination yung method na gagamitin mo. And dun sa mga earlier na videos naman sa series na ito, pinag-usapan natin yung fundamentals. Now, ito yung isa sa mga ways na you can do ganitong klaseng solution. Pero, again, maraming mga options out there. Strictly, yung substitution lang ang gagamitin natin sa video na ito. Okay? So, kahit na if you feel na, masadali yung elimination for that, itabi mo muna yan kasi ito muna yung focus natin ngayong topic na ito. Okay? Now, paano ba ito? Ang klase ng tanong would look a lot like yung mga systems of equation na problem na sinolve natin last week. Pero this time, iba lang yung method na gagamitin natin. So, sa example nito, sabi, if x plus y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 3, find x and y. Okay? So, very simple lang muna yung first problem natin kasi ang gusto ko lang i-demonstrate sa inyo ay yung method. Okay? Okay, so ito rin yung same problem kanina. Nilipat ko lang ng location para meron tayong space to solve. Ang first step natin gagawin ay pipili tayo dito sa dalawang ito ng initial na equation na isosolve natin. Isosolve natin for one of yung dalawang nawawalang variables. So, gagawin natin, kunyari, you solve for x or you solve for y. Let me show you how to do it, okay? So, again, kung ito ang first equation, ang gagawin ko lang, i-rewrite ko lang siya muna dito sa gilid. You have x plus y is equal to 7. Na kung magsosolve ako na ang gusto kong maiwan ay yung x, ang mangyayari dyan, ililipat ko yung y sa kabilang side. So, ang mangyayari, magiging x na lang to is equal to 7. Tapos, kung positive siya dito at nilipat ko siya sa kabila, again, following yung rules ng equality, yung transposition natin, ililipat ko siya dyan, magiging minus siya. Magiging negative y. So, ito na ngayon yung ibig sabihin ng x. Now, ang next step would be this. Kung ito yung equation ko, saan ko to kinuha, i-apply ko itong nakuha kong value ng x sa kabilang equation. Dun sa pangalawang equation na binigay sa atin. So, ibig sabihin nun, ilalagay ko ito in place of this. Now, to rewrite that, ang magiging itsura niyan would be this. You have, instead of x, minus y is equal to 3. Etong x na yan, gagawin ko, kokopyahin ko tong buong ito. So, you have 7 minus y, again, in place of the x, instead of this, tapos minus y is equal to 3. Okay? Tapos ngayon, isosolve ko na ito. So, dahil ito naman ay simpleng addition lang, subtraction, ko-combine ko lang yung like terms. We have 7 minus y is equal to 3. Ang rule natin, pag pareho sila ng apelido, pwede natin pagsamahin yan. May invisible na 1 dyan. So, ibig sabihin, this is negative 1 plus negative 1. Ang mangyayari dyan, magiging 7 minus 2y is equal to 3. Okay? Now, ang goal natin is to solve for y. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon, ililipat ko yung y sa kabilang side para maging positive siya. Yung 3 ililipat ko dun sa kabilang side. So, ang mangyayari dyan, magiging 7 minus 3 is equal to, positive na siya kasi nasa kabilang side na siya, 2y. Now, 7 minus 3 is 4 is equal to 2y. I-divide ko lang both sides by 2 para makancel ito. So, now, I have y is equal to 2. So, may isang sagot na tayo. Y is equal to 2. Now, how do I get X? E di, isa-substitute ko na lang siya doon sa binigay na value na kanina. Diba ito? Pwede ko siyang ilagay lang dyan. Yung Y naman ang pupunan ko. Itong Y na to, papalitan ko ngayon siya nung value na nakuha na natin, which is 2. So, mangyayari dyan, magiging X is equal to 7 minus 2. So, X is equal to 5. So, ang sagot natin would be, ang Y ay 2, ang X ay 5. Now, just to make sure na tama tayo, let's check natin siya using yung mga original na equation. X plus Y daw dapat is equal to 7. Now, isa-substitute natin, you have 5 plus, and then Y is 2. 7 naman siya. So, tama tayo doon. Kung gusto mo pang mas manigurado or kung hinihingi ng teacher ninyo yung checking, gagamitin din natin siya dito. So, you have X minus Y is equal to 3. Ang X daw ay 5 minus, tas ang Y naman ay 2. 3 ba siya? 3 rin naman siya. So, tama rin tayo doon. So, indeed, ang tamang sagot ay Y is 2, X is 5. Okay? Yun yung pinaka-proseso niya. Now, let's try another one. Paano kung ganito? If you see, hindi na lang siya bastang simpleng X. Meron ng mga numerical coefficient, yung mga variables natin. Anong gagawin natin ngayon dito? Now, again, we're just going to follow the rules pa rin ng equality, rules ng integers, rules ng basics at fundamentals na napag-usapan na natin sa first parts ng series na ito at sa videos natin ng integers and everything else. Isa step by step lang natin siya. Okay? So, combination na siya ng lahat. The reason kung bakit nagugulan yung iba sa ganitong level na ng algebra is hindi pa masyadong solid yung fundamentals or yung basics. So, if you find this too difficult, you can watch yung ating algebra playlist for yung mga building blocks ng lesson na ito. Okay? So, let's start muna with labeling yung equations. We have this one as the first one, tapos ito na yung pangalawa. Para maiba naman, unahin natin yung second equation. Siya yung kukunan natin nung unang variable. So, negative 3x minus 3y is equal to negative 15. Kanina, ang hinanap natin muna is yung x. So, subukan natin kung y naman ang gagamitin natin. So, yung y, ang ililipat ko para maging positive siya. So, ililipat ko siya sa kabilang side, magiging positive 3y siya. Tapos, ito naman ay ililipat ko sa kabilang side. So, this is negative 3x. Ngayon, tas dahil negative siya dito, magiging positive siya sa kabilang side, plus 15. I-divide natin both sides by 3 para ma-cancel ito. Maiiwan siya, magiging y na lang siya. So, y is equal to, i-divide lang natin, this will be negative, kasi na-cancel yan, negative x, tapos 15 divided by 3 naman, kasi magiging 15 divided by 3 is 5, at dahil positive sila pareho, that would be positive 5. So, ito na ngayon yung magiging value ng y. Now, again, I'm doing this just to demonstrate na kahit na yung y muna ang kinuha mong value, makukuha mo pa rin naman yung tamang sagot. Subukan natin ngayon na i-substitute itong nakuha natin na value ng y dito sa first equation. Okay? So, isusulat ko lang siya, magiging 2x plus, and then you have 6y is equal to 2. Substituting yung y na ito, magiging 2x plus 6 times yung quantity na negative x plus 5, okay, is equal to 2. Okay? Now, i-distribute lang natin yung 6 dito. So, bababa lang yung 2x, pareho pa rin naman siya. Yung positive 6 times negative x, magiging negative 6x siya. Tapos ito, dahil pareho silang positive, this will be positive 30 is equal to 2. Okay? So, ito ngayon, pwede na natin sila pagsamahin. Pareho silang may x. Mangyayari dyan, magiging negative 4x plus 30 is equal to 2. Okay? Kung gusto ko manatiling positive yung x natin, siya yung ililipat ko sa kabilang side. So, magiging 4x is equal to, tas ito yung ililipat ko sa kabilang side, 30 minus 2. So, 4x is equal to, tas ito ay 28. I-divide natin both sides sa 4. Makakancel ngayon ito. X is equal to, ang 28 divided by 4, that is going to give you 7. Okay? So, yun na yung lalabas. Ang x daw ay equal sa 7. At para makuha ko naman yung y, isa-solve ko lang ito. So, isa-substitute ko siya dyan. Ang mangyayari, this will be negative x or negative 7 plus 5 is equal to y. So, y is equal to negative 7 plus 5 or y is equal to negative 2. Yan yung dalawang nakuha natin. Now again, just to make sure, isa-substitute natin yung nakuha nating x at saka nakuha nating y dito sa isa sa mga equations para makita natin kung tama talaga yung sagot natin. Subukan muna natin dito. You have 2 times x, which is now we know 7, plus 6 daw, times yung alam natin na y. So this will be negative 2 is equal to dapat ang lalabas 2. Subukan natin. This will be 14 plus, and then this is 6 times negative 2, magiging negative 12 siya. Is equal to 2. And tama nga naman. This is going to give us 2. So, tama tayo doon. Okay? So, again, ganun lang yung proseso niya. Medyo tedious, pero pag sanay ka na, magiging automatic na siya sa'yo. Okay? Alright, it's time for your quick quiz. Sagutan nyo lang itong 3 problems na ito, and at the end of yung allotted time, i-discuss ko kung paano makuha yung tamang sagot. Okay? If you're ready with your pen and paper, your timer starts now. Okay, let's see how you did. So, simulan muna natin sa unang tanong. So, you have 5x plus 4y is equal to negative 30. Tapos daw, 3x minus 9y is equal to negative 18. So, subukan natin. Unahin natin muna ito. I-label lang din natin siya. So, gagamitin natin yung first equation para i-solve yung pangalawa or yung pangalawang equation para i-solve yung una. So, subukan natin muna yung pangalawang equation ang gamitin natin. We have 3x, kasi at least to, positive silang maiiwan pareho just by looking at it, no? And again, the more you practice, the faster you'll get. So, ikokopyahin lang natin yan. Okay, so you have 3x. Tapos, ililipat natin yung 9 sa kabilang side. So, magiging, negative 18 plus 9y. Tapos, i-divide natin siya both sides sa 3. Maka-cancel ngayon ito. Maiiwan yung x is equal to, tapos i-divide lang natin siya. So, negative 18 divided by 3, magiging negative 6. Yung 9y divided by 3, magiging positive 3y. So, you can write it like that, or pwede nyo rin isulat na baliktad. So, magiging 3y minus 6. So, now that we have this, isa-substitute na natin siya dun sa first equation naman. Okay? So, palitan ko lang ng kulay para lang mas visual siya. Magiging 5x plus 4y is equal to negative 30. So, 5 times 3y minus 6 plus 4y is equal to negative 30. Solve lang natin to, distribute natin. You have 15y minus 30 plus 4y is equal to negative 30. So, i-combine natin like terms, magiging 19y ito is equal to, tapos lilipat natin siya sa kabilang side. So, negative 30. So, negative 30, tapos yung dilipat natin, magiging positive 30. At dahil ang negative plus positive at pareho sila ng value, ang mangyayari dyan, magiging 19y is equal to 0. We will divide both sides pa rin by 19. Pero dahil ang 0 divided by any number is 0, ang ibig sabihin nun, ang y mo ay 0. Now, using that, isa-substitute naman natin siya doon sa ating initial, okay, na nakuha, which is this. So, ibig sabihin nun, x is equal to 3 times 0 minus 6. So, x is equal to 0 minus 6 or x is equal to negative 6. Yan yung nakuha nating sagot. Ang y ay 0, ang x ay negative 6. Subukan natin ngayon to check kung tama ba yung lalabas na sagot. Okay? So, substitute lang natin siya dito. We have 5 times negative 6 daw yung x. So, this will be negative 6. Plus 4 times ang y daw ay 0. So, magiging 0 ito is equal to negative 30. Tama ba tayo? This is 5 times negative 6, negative 30. Plus 0 is equal to negative 30. At dahil pareho tong negative 30, course, tama rin tayo doon. Again, you can also check using the other equation, pero you should get the same answer. Okay, so ang sagot natin again, x is negative 6, y is 0. Question number 2. Okay, isa-isahin uli natin. So, you have this first equation and then this second equation. So, subukan natin gamitin yung kabila kasi ito mas madali, again, the more you do it, the more na mapapansin niyo na mas madali i-handle yung isang equation. Kasi in this case, pareho silang 2, tas even din naman yun. So, ibig sabihin, I won't have to deal with fractions. Pag ito kasi ang sinolve ko at tinranspose ko ito, this will be 13 plus 7x all over, yung quantity na yon all over 8. So, ang complicated no magiging value nung y. Kaya, uunahin ko yung kabilang equation. Okay? So, this will be 2y plus 2x is equal to 22. Iiwanan natin yung x. So, this will be 2x is equal to 22 minus 2y. Di-divide natin both sides sa 2 para makancel ito. Okay. So, may iiwan na lang yung x is equal to 22 divided by 2, which is 11. Negative 2 divided by 2, which is negative 1. Or, negative y na lang siya. So, ang x ay equal siya sa 11 minus y. Okay, now, isa-substitute na natin siya dun sa first na equation natin. So, this will be negative 7 times yung quantity na 11 minus y plus 8y is equal to 13. Didistribute ko to, magiging negative 77 plus, kaya na siya positive kasi negative times negative na siya, 7y plus 8y is equal to 13. Okay, tataas ko lang para may space tayo. Kakombine natin yung dalawang may y, so magiging 15 siya. 15y is equal to, dilipat natin to sa kabilang side, so yung negative magiging positive. This will be 13 plus 77. 15y is equal to 13 plus 77, which is going to give you 90. Di-divide natin both sides sa 15. Okay, para ma-cancel ito. So, ang mangyayari dyan, y is equal to 6. Okay, kasi 6 times 15 is 90. So, nakaisa na tayo. Isa-substitute natin siya para mahanap natin yung x. So, x is equal to 11 minus y. So, x is equal to 11 minus 6. Kasi sabi natin 6 yung y. So, magiging x is equal to 5. So, yan, may sagot na tayo. Ang y ay 6, ang x ay 5. Now, again, just to make sure, substitute natin sa isa sa kanila para makita natin kung tama yung sagot. Dito na lang sa positive para masadali. 2 times y, which is 6 ba? Plus 2 times 5, which is yung ating x is equal to 22. This is 12. This is 10, 22, 22 rin yan. So, tama tayo. Okay? So, ang sagot natin, 6 at saka 5. Ang x ay 5, ang y ay 6. Okay? Doon na tayo sa last one. We have negative 3x plus 2y is equal to 23 at saka 5x plus 2y is equal to negative 17. Ito mas komplikado na kasi magiging fraction na yung sagot. Whether ang kukunin mo ay x o y. Pero okay lang yan. Itutuloy lang din natin. So, simulan natin dun sa first equation. We have negative 3x plus 2y is equal to 23. So, kukunin ko na lang yung y para at least positive siya. Ito, ililipat ko sa kabilang side. This will be 2y is equal to 23 plus 3x. Di-divide ko ngayon both sides sa 2 para ma-cancel ito. Maiwan yung y lang mismo. Ang mangyayari dyan, magiging y is equal to, at dahil hindi sila divisible sa 2 pareho, as is na siya. So, the quantity, 23 plus 3x, tapos all over 2. Ito na ngayon yung magiging value ng y natin. Na ano mangyayari sa atin yan kung ganyan yung itsura, kung fraction siya? Siya lang din ang isa-substitute natin dun sa equation. Okay? Dun sa kabila. Okay, dito na natin ilalagay. So, yung y, papalitan natin ito. Mukhang komplikado, mukhang mahaba, pero mas madali to take it this way kasi 2 naman siya. Okay, I'll show you what I mean later. So, ilalagay lang natin itong equation na to, 5x plus 2 times yung quantity again, 23 plus 3x, tapos all over 2 is equal to negative 17. Now, ang maganda dito, if you notice, dahil ito ay 2, tapos divided by 2 siya basically, kasi parang ganyan yan kung fractions yan. Ibig sabihin, pwede ko siyang i-cancel. Pareho naman siyang 2 So, magiging 1 na lang siya instead. So, mas dadali yung buhay ko. Magiging, kung i-rewrite ko to, magiging 5x plus 23 plus 3x na lang. Instead of yung mahabang-mahaba kanina, is equal to negative 17. So, you have 5x plus 3x on one side. Itong 23 lilipat natin sa kabilang side. Negative 17 minus 23. 8x is equal to negative 40. I-divide na ngayon natin both sides by 8 para makancel siya. Wala na to. This will be x is equal to negative 5. So, yun na yung x natin. Now, para makuha natin yung y, isa-substitute natin itong negative 5 dito. So, ibig sabihin nun, y is equal to 23 plus 3 times negative 5 all over 2. So, this is y is equal to 23 plus negative 15 all over 2. So, 23 minus 15, that is 8. Okay, so yun na yung magiging nasa taas. Y is equal to 8 over 2. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang y is equal to 4. Now, itry natin kung tama nga yung sagot. Isa-substitute lang natin siya doon sa isa sa mga equations. So, you have 5 times yung x natin na bago, which is negative 5, plus 2 times yung y, which is 4. Negative 17 ba siya? So, this is negative 25 plus 8 is equal to negative 17. Tama ba tayo dyan? Tama naman tayo doon. Negative 17 din ito. Negative 17 ito. So, tama tayo. Tama nga yung sagot natin. Ang x ay negative 5, ang y ay 4. Okay? Now, I hope you got all of these correctly. If you didn't, that's okay. I'll be posting more questions on my Instagram account. So if you don't follow me yet, follow me at Lyqa Marevilla and at Team Lyqa on Instagram. Doon natin sa Instagram story pinupost yung mga quick questions. And if you have a TikTok account din, you can follow me at Team Lyqa for the lessons, mga English at saka math tips. And yung at Lyqa Marevilla naman for the motivational videos, yung mga advice videos, at more personal stuff. Okay? See you guys online. Alright, I hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends na mag-exam din sila. Dato yung sarami tayong matutulungan. And as always, if you want to reach out to me directly, get the reviewers that I made, join the online or live review events, you can go to www.facebook.com/teamlyqa for more information. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that bell. Marami pa tayong pag-uusapan. Hindi lang sa math, pero pati sa language and a lot of the other things that I cover on this channel. So maraming salamat sa inyo who are now part of Team Lyqa. And as we always say sa channel to, never stop learning. Adja, adja. Kaya niyan. I'll see you in the next video and bye for now.